Welcome to 220 Sturton Drive. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brick front patio home with a 1-car garage, fenced backyard, an updated vinyl plank hardwood flooring inside. It's located in the Cambridge Place neighborhood near downtown Lexington, convenient to I-20 and I-26, Lake Murray and Lexington schools. So we're out front. You see you have a nice sized driveway here, 1-car garage. The front yard maintenance is taken care of by the HOA. You have a covered front entrance here as well. And then as you enter inside the home, you'll notice the vinyl plank hardwood flooring that starts here in the foyer and then continues throughout the main living area. So inside, you see the front door there, you have sort of side lights on either side of it. Make sure that is closed. And then you have a bedroom here off the entry, sort of a typical patio home setup, but this one does have a bonus room above the garage that does give it a 3rd bedroom or extra space. So the bedroom here, you can see has a closet there, and then it connects to a full bathroom. You have a single vanity, tub, and shower. It's a window above. And then it'll also open to the entry hall. Small closet there off the entry. On the other side of the bathroom, you have a coat closet, and then you have your 1-car garage here. Actually, the light is not on in here, but there we go. So you can see actually a vehicle parked inside. This is a compact or small SUV, so you can kind of get an idea of the size of the garage. That is backed up. Your water heater's in here as well as the breaker panels for your electric. Kitchen is further into the home on the right side. You have a small pantry here. On the right, side-by-side fridge. Above the range microwave, smooth top, electric range, and dishwasher. Pendant light over the sink, and all open to the living room, the vaulted ceiling. On this side also you have your laundry closet, full-size washer and dryer connections in there, shelf above, and the flooring continues. So dining area, the bar countertop, have some track lighting, directional there as well, and then vaulted ceilings again here in the living room, ceiling fan. You have a corner fireplace, gas log, you have some tiles around, and then sort of a ledge above where you can place a television or other items if you like. Sliding door out to the back, and we'll take a look out there in a second. So out back, you have a patio, a small fenced backyard. Also does wrap around to the other side between the two homes, and you have sort of a walk there, and then a fence to the front. Get back inside, the view of that living room. And then your master bedroom is down on the main level here off the living room. You have the cove ceiling and crown molding, ceiling fan, 2 windows looking out to the backyard. And French doors going into the bathroom. Double vanity here, garden tub and shower. You have the light above, or the window above as well, and an extra cabinet space there. Commode sort of tucked in an alcove, and then nice walk-in closet with tons of built-in shelving and hanging space there in the center. And then last but not least, we will go right up the stairs directly across from the master up to the 3rd bedroom or bonus room, finished room over garage, whatever you'd like to call it, or however you like to use it. You have sort of a dormer window area there, an alcove. It's a large space. It could work as a bedroom. You do have a closet in there, some attic storage, and those small doors. And then you can see nice size closet there. Also work well for an office, extra living space, media room, family room, however you want to use it. but good size up here. So that completes our tour of the home. Again, the address here is 220 Sturton Drive in Lexington. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or giving us a call at 803-407-8522.